Yes, what's going on, Kai Lifers? My name's Kai, and this is an unboxing of the Chessnut Go chessboard. Welcome to Kai Life! That's right, whether you are a new viewer or a returning Kai Lifer, welcome to the channel. It's lovely to have you with me. Now, I'm super excited to bring this to you. The lovely folk over at Chessnut have been kind enough to send me one of their Chessnut Go chessboards. Now, I purchased a Chessnut Air just a couple of months ago. Click on the card in the top right-hand corner for the review of that one. I'm bringing you a review of the Chessnut Go very soon, but obviously before I can review it, I need to unbox the thing, and I am so excited to have a look at this. I am massively in my obsessive chess era still, completely deep in the hole. And so any chessboard or any chess paraphernalia or chess related thing that I can get my hands on, I'm super hyped about. So I'm looking forward to getting this box open and seeing what we've got inside. If you do like what you see once we actually get into this box, then the lovely guys over at Chessnut have linked up with me to give me an affiliate code so that you get a discount when you're buying your own Chessnut Go. So check the description of the video to see how you can get some money off your purchase when you buy one of these chessboards. One thing I can already tell with this is that it's in a smaller box than the Chessnut Air. Now, this is a smaller chessboard, and as you might have guessed by the name Chessnut Go, this is aimed more at people that want a more portable chessboard. It'd be something that takes up less real estate if they've got it at home, but something you can easily whack into a bag, whack into a case, and go and play some over-the-board games with without it basically taking up too much space. Right, I've got my knife. I've got my trusty knife. So let's dig into this. I'm gonna make sure that I'm careful right round the edges here. I don't want to be stabbing anything important, mostly my hand. I feel like that was a really not very sensible way to hold the knife on that side. I might actually just be able to unbox it from this side. Let's have a look. Man, I love unboxing new bits of tech. Okay, let's take out this foam insert. Oh man, hell yeah. Okay, I was not expecting this. Wow, this is badass. This comes in its own case. Check this out. That is awesome. Oh my God, it comes in its own hard shell case. Wow, that's so cool. And this sleeve that says Chessnut Go electronic chess set, 34 plastic pieces with sensor chips and 2 extra queens included, and a charging cable. This is super impressive. Man, I did not think it was going to come with a really good quality hard shell case with the Chessnut logo in the corner. That's beautiful. And I love that this has got the orange trim, because as you'll see then, oh, that's so nice. There's nothing else in the box here, just these protective foam inserts, which for your unboxing pleasure, I will remove. Right, so we get those four bits of foam in there. Let's just put this to the side. I have got my 2 kittens roaming around. They're in a particularly rambunctious mood, especially Nana. Nana, who is investigating going outside at the moment, so he keeps leaping onto my gaming chair and getting as much height as he can and looking out the window. Right, anyway, so lovely hard shell case. Man, GG's Chessnut. The Chessnut Air that I bought did not come with a case. So already this leans into the portability side and the ability to just take this out on the go really nicely. Okay, let's see this thing. I already really like the size of it. Let's have a look. Oh man, look at this. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. There's a little label here that says, please be mindful to avoid the protrusion to prevent any collisions. Okay, I think the translation of that is essentially, don't have any pieces sticking out here so that it doesn't damage the board. Man, this is superbly well presented. Superbly well presented. Okay, I want to get this out of it. This is, do you know what? This is a really nice, snug fit in here as well. This isn't, in fact, I kind of want to show you this. Like, there's no movement of the board in the case whatsoever. Like, this is a little bit of effort to actually get it out of this slot. All right, let's get everything out then. My God, this is so, wow, this is so cute. So I was sort of expecting, and if you've seen my Chessnut Air review, you'll see it's very much, the aesthetics are very much like a classical chessboard. And I was kind of expecting just a smaller version of that, but they have really, Chessnut have really lent into the portability factor here. This is quite incredible. So let me just show you this from overhead. Look how thin that board is. Look how thin this is. This is crazy. This is, okay, this is, I mean, very impressive. This is very, very impressive. USB-C charging port on the side. Obviously, we've got our power buttons, and just like with the Chessnut Air, in fact, we've got the power button and the plus button, which helps you to, of course, save your over-the-board games. We've got a quick guide here, which is just a small little pamphlet just explaining about what the LEDs mean and the buttons and the status lights, and obviously encourage you to download the Chessnut app. We'll look at all of this when I go through the review of the Chessnut Go. And then we have this extra sealed off little pouch. I'm loving, by the way, the synergy between the orange buttons and the orange trim on this case. GG. Okay, so we've got the white pieces and the black pieces, which are in separate pouches here. Love that. We'll delve into those. And then we've got, oh, I love this. Okay, so we've got some extra felt stickers, which I imagine are for spares. For spares or replacements for the bases of the pieces, of course, because we've got little electronics, little chips inside each one of these pieces so that the board can recognize which piece is on which square at any one time. It's really cool. Okay, let's set the board aside. We've also got the USB-C charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, just FYI, with a nice little tag to secure the cable there. Okay, I'm just going to close the case. Big fan of this case. Big fan. Let's put the board on there as well, and we'll put the guide just to the side here so we can take the pieces out. Okay, and out come the pieces for the Chessnut Go. Now, these pieces are a really nice size. They are notably different from the Chessnut Air pieces, or the pieces that come with the Chessnut Air. There you can see the felt on the base, so that's what you can replace with. And it's worth bearing in mind, by the way, that Chessnut sell the ability to buy your own sets of chips so that you can basically make any chess pieces playable with their boards, which I think is a really, really cool feature. It means that if you happen across a really nice set, oh hi Big, if you happen across a really nice set, or you have your own, then essentially you can DIY your own so that they can fit with any of the Chessnut products. So definitely smaller, which I mean goes in line with the fact that the Chessnut Go is portable. And let's unbox or rather unbag the white ones as well. Oh, and even a lovely kind of white to them. They're almost like slightly pearlescent. Really, really, really nice. Man, I tell you what, Chessnut have smashed it out of the park with the Chessnut Go. I am so impressed so far with how thin the board is. The hard shell that comes with it makes it just immediately portable. It means that you can just throw it immediately into a bag and that feels nice and secure. There's my spare queen. Obviously you get 2 spare queens, just like with the other Chessnut products. I suspect as well that we might already have some battery in here. Let's have a look. Yes, we do. We do indeed. Nice little Bluetooth symbol to let you know that the Bluetooth is searching. Obviously, I have the Chessnut app, so it'd be easy for me to connect to, and it functions a very similar way to the Chessnut Air in terms of the over the board games, the recording of them and the saving of the games. We'll go into that in my review. But in terms of the unboxing, that's pretty much everything unboxed. I am super excited to give a review of this. This is definitely a different product from the Chessnut Air, and I'm super impressed. I'm super impressed. Lovely, lovely board that, I mean, whilst not looking like a classical chessboard, is so light and it's so thin. That is awesome. This presentation with this hard shell case is also absolutely superb. Absolutely superb. It means that you can get your Chessnut Go, you can charge it up. I mean, this already has charge anyway, but you can charge it up and you're just ready to go and play an over the board game either at home or in a cafe or wherever you want to take it. GG's. Until we get to the review video of the Chessnut Go, look out for it this weekend. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care, much love, and peace out.